Skewers. They're the best summer snack ever. But first, we need to have these wooden Skewers sticks, and we have this washed, cut up tray of fruit. There's watermelon, strawberry, cantaloupe, pineapple, and melon. I always like to put on the watermelon first. You guys can make how many of these you want. And then the cantaloupe. They're a little bit tricky to put on. And then the watermelon. The watermelon's really slippery. Then the melon. Then strawberries. You guys can do this one more time. I'm going to do it one more time. Make sure to do this in a pattern. I'm doing it right now. That's our first straw ready. Now I'm just going to do 2. And you don't have to copy the other one because I'm going to do it a different pattern. First is the cantaloupe. Oh, I did that one kind of wrong. Okay. Now is the strawberry, watermelon, you guys should make this with like all types of stuff, but I'm doing it with the fruits. Then, one more time. And strawberries. Now let's go enjoy these outside in the pool.